Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will show you how to add video creator to your Instagram bio. This is a great way to let your followers know what you do. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. And now you have to scroll down and find the option of account type and tools. Tap on it. Okay, so if you wanted to add video creator to your Instagram bio, so you have to switch to professional account from your personal account. For that, you have to simply tap on switch to professional account and tap on continue. Okay, so now in the search bar, you have to simply type video creator and select the first option right here. Okay, so now here you will see option of display on profile. Simply toggle this on. And now finally tap on done. Tap on OK. And now you have to select whether you are a creator or a business. I will select creator right here. And then simply tap on next. And there you have it. Your Instagram bio now includes video creator, making it clear to everyone what you do. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.